Alright, so today let's do a cheap proof for the sum of all the natural counting numbers. Well, since it's a proof, then obviously we kind of know the answer already. You should know this. So amazingly, sum of all the natural numbers together, that give you -1 over 12 for some reason. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus dot dot dot. So all of these positive integers add up to a amazingly negative number. So first I'm going to set up a series. I'm going to call it series A, and that is equals to 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus, and you get the idea. So we'll have to find out what this is equals to. Well, some people are smart ass and they can think, oh look, that's 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So can we take the average equals to a half? Well, actually, that is true, but that's not how you prove it. So I'm going to scrap that for now. What you actually do is you can say SA times 2. What is that equals to? 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus plus 1 minus plus minus plus dot dot dot. But if it's 2, then we can say that's plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus dot dot dot. You see where this is going? This is minus 1, this is plus 1. Let me change the color. Minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 da da da. So we end up with a series 2 times the series of A is equals to 1. Therefore series of A is equals to 1 on 2. Kind of amazing-ish. So let's just keep in mind. So this is equals to 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So keep that in mind. Now I have to do the second line. The second line I'm going to call series B. Series B is equals to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6. And you get the idea. So how are you going to do this? We could use a similar idea, which we can say 2 series of B is equals to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus dot dot dot. Plus 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4. Remember, the aligning is very important because then you can actually see what is going on. So 2 of series B, 1 is 1, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, plus 3 minus 2 is plus 1, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, and plus 5 minus 4, that's plus 1, and you get the idea. But we know what this is. So 2 of series B is equals to series A, and series A is equals to 1 on 2. So series B must be 1 on 4. But this is not the average. But that's not the point. So we add and subtract integers. All of the integers add and subtract each other together. We somehow end up with a even fraction, but they were fractions, so a fraction-ish. No, it is a fraction, so end up is a weird fraction. I mean, it's a nice fraction, but yeah. So now, if I want to do a series C, this is where we're getting at. So this is the true 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 dot dot dot, or you can write this in the fancy way and from 1 all the way to infinity of n. So this is where I want to get at. And the trick to do this is we can write series C minus series of B. This is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus dot dot dot. But here's a minus. So we can say we want to minus let's put the big brackets there. 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 dot dot dot. Close bracket if that's necessary. So now we can do series C minus series B is equals to, now we can see 1 minus 1 is 0, so let's just don't write it at all. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Plus 2 minus 2, but sorry, it's plus 2 minus negative 2. That becomes 4. And plus 3 minus 3, 0. Plus 4 minus negative 4 is 8. 5 cancel out, plus 12. And you can probably guess that. So this is 16, because 7 will cancel out and 8 will become 16, plus dot dot dot. But look, isn't that looks familiar? That series C minus series B equals to 4 multiplied by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 dot dot dot. So, but we know what this is. We just defined it as SC. We just defined 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is SC. So now we have minus SB, series B, equals to 3, series C. But we know what series of we know what series B is. It's 1 over 4 here. So if we go back and substitute 1 over 4 inside, sorry, so 1 over 4, it becomes negative 1 on 4, and that's equals to 3 series C. But then series C is equals to negative 1 on 12. So that is kind of weird math weirdness. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus dot 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 is equals to negative 1 on 12.